Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing the PS5 download errors CE-113212-1 and CE-113212-0. Place the PS5 on a flat surface so we can begin the troubleshooting. Start by powering on the PS5 normally to check the download status. If the PS5 download stops or fails, press the PS5 options button to cancel it. Once cancelled, return to the PS5 home screen to refresh the system. Now restart the PS5 by holding the PS5 power button until it turns off. Wait for the PS5 lights to fully power down before moving to the next step. Press the PS5 power button again to turn it back on. Once the PS5 boots, go to Downloads to confirm the issue still appears. If the PS5 download fails again, we'll check the PS5's internet connection. On the PS5, open Settings and select Network. Test the internet connection to verify the PS5 can reach the server. If the PS5 shows slow or unstable results, move closer to your router. Gently unplug the PS5 LAN or Wi-Fi adapter cable if you use wired. Reinsert the cable into the PS5 port firmly until it clicks. If using Wi-Fi, toggle the PS5 Wi-Fi off and then back on. Retry the download on the PS5 to test if the error clears. If the PS5 download still fails, we'll manually change DNS. On the PS5, choose Setup Internet Connection. Highlight your Wi-Fi and press Options on the PS5 controller. Select Advanced Settings on the PS5 network menu. Change DNS on the PS5 to manual mode. Set primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 on your PS5. Set secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4 on your PS5. Save settings and allow the PS5 to reconnect. Once connected, retry your download on the PS5 again. If the PS5 error still appears, let's power cycle the PS5. Hold the PS5 power button for 7 seconds to turn it off. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the console. Unplug the PS5 cable from the wall socket as well. Wait 1 full minute with the PS5 unplugged. During this minute, clean the PS5 power port gently. Also clean the PS5 LAN port using a soft brush. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the console. Then plug the PS5 cable back into the wall outlet. Press the PS5 power button to start it up again. Navigate to the download section on the PS5. Try downloading the game or update again on the PS5. If the PS5 still shows CE-105799-1 or CE-113212-0, we'll use safe mode. Turn off the PS5 completely using the PS5 power button. Wait until the PS5 light fully stops blinking. Press and hold the PS5 power button until you hear a second beep. Connect the PS5 controller to the PS5 with a USB cable. Choose option 2. Update system software. On the PS5 Safe Mode menu, select Update using Internet to refresh your PS5 firmware. Allow the PS5 to restart once the update completes. Return to Downloads and retry your download on the PS5. If the PS5 still fails, go back into Safe Mode again. Choose option 5, Rebuild Database, on the PS5. Let the PS5 rebuild its files. This may take a few minutes. When the PS5 restarts, return to the home screen. Start the download again on your PS5. At this point most PS5 CE-105799-1 and CE-113212-0 errors are fixed. But if your PS5 still fails, check your PS5 storage space. Go to PS5 Settings and open Storage. Clear and use PS5 games or apps if needed. Retry the download again on your PS5 after freeing space. If the PS5 download works now, the issue was storage. If everything is successful, you've fixed your PS5 errors. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy smooth downloads on your PS5.